Greetings everyone, welcome to Inspire You Today, your go-to channel for health, fitness, and all-round well-being. We're here to spark that inner fire, to motivate you to strive for the best version of yourself, and to guide you on your journey to a healthier, happier life. Our mission is to provide you with comprehensive, easy-to-understand information and practical advice on various health and fitness topics. We're not just about workouts and diet plans, we're about empowering you with knowledge and helping you make informed decisions for your holistic wellness. We encourage you to subscribe, like, and comment. By subscribing, you're joining a community of like-minded individuals all striving to better themselves. Your likes help us understand what content resonates with you, and your comments allow us to tailor our content to your needs, making it more valuable for you. Anyone, regardless of their fitness level, can benefit from the tips and tricks we share here. So buckle up and get ready to be inspired. Today, we're delving into the world of nutritional powerhouses. But what exactly are these? Well, let's take a journey into the realm of superfoods. Nutritional powerhouses or superfoods are foods that are jam-packed with nutrients. They're nature's way of saying, hey, eat this, it's really good for you. Imagine a food so powerful, so nutrient-dense that it could be considered a form of medicine. That's what we're talking about here. These foods are not just good for you, they're great for you. They are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are the superheroes of the food world, fighting off diseases, boosting your immune system, and keeping you in tip-top shape. Take spinach, for instance. This leafy green is not only delicious, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, a mineral that's crucial for our bodies to function properly. It's no wonder Popeye was such a fan. Then there's kale, another leafy green that's often hailed as the queen of greens. It's packed with vitamins A, K, and C, and like spinach, it's a great source of iron. It also contains powerful antioxidants that can help protect your body against various illnesses. And let's not forget about blueberries. These tiny fruits are bursting with flavor and are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. They're loaded with fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and are known for their high antioxidant levels. In fact, they have one of the highest antioxidant levels of all fruits and vegetables. Nutritional powerhouses are not just about keeping you healthy, they also play a significant role in your fitness journey. They help fuel your body, giving you the energy you need to smash those workouts and reach your fitness goals. In essence, nutritional powerhouses aren't just food. They're ammunition for your body to fight off illnesses and keep you at your best. Now that we know what these powerhouses are, how can we make the most of them? Let's dive into the sea of possibilities, shall we? Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily diet doesn't have to be as daunting as it might seem. With a little imagination and a dash of creativity, you can transform these powerhouses into delicious and nutritious meals. Let's start with smoothies. They're quick, they're easy, and they're flexible. You can toss in a handful of spinach, a scoop of Greek yogurt, and a banana, and voila! You've got yourself a green powerhouse smoothie that's packed with vitamins, probiotics, and potassium. Not a fan of spinach? No problem. Swap it out for kale or even avocado. The beauty of smoothies is that they're customizable to your taste. Now let's talk salads. But we're not talking about those boring iceberg lettuce salads, oh no, we're talking about vibrant, colorful, and filling salads. Think of a base of dark leafy greens like spinach or kale, topped with an array of colorful veggies, a serving of lean protein, and a sprinkle of seeds or nuts. Suddenly, your salad isn't just a side dish anymore. It's a nutritional powerhouse main course. And how about those creative ways to use these foods? Ever tried zucchini noodles, also known as zoodles? They're a fantastic low-carb alternative to pasta. Or how about a cauliflower crust pizza, loaded with all your favorite veggies? It's a fun and tasty way to sneak in those powerhouses. But don't just stop at meals. Nutritional powerhouses can be incorporated into snacks too. Think homemade granola bars packed with oats, nuts, and seeds, or a simple apple with a smear of almond butter. Remember, the power of these foods is unleashed not just by eating them, but by making them a regular part of your diet. It's about creating a lifestyle that nourishes your body from the inside out. With these nutritional powerhouses, not only will you feel better, but you'll be fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. So go ahead, unleash the power of nutritional powerhouses, and let your body thank you for it. Let's talk about how these nutritional powerhouses can boost your fitness game. You see, the relationship between nutrition and fitness is like a well-choreographed dance. Each influences and enhances the other in a symphony of wellness. Nutritional powerhouses, the superfoods bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, are the secret weapons that can elevate your fitness regime. They are the unsung heroes that work behind the scenes, enhancing your energy levels, improving muscle recovery, and increasing overall performance. Imagine you're preparing for an intense workout. You'll need a surge of energy to power through those challenging routines. This is where these superfoods come into play. Foods like quinoa, chia seeds, and bananas are packed with complex carbohydrates and fiber that provide a slow and steady release of energy. They're like your body's personal cheerleaders, keeping you fueled and focused throughout your workout. Now let's move on to muscle recovery, an essential part of any fitness regime. After a grueling workout, your muscles are like warriors on a battlefield, weary and in need of repair. Nutritional powerhouses such as eggs, spinach, and sweet potatoes come to the rescue. They're loaded with protein, iron, and potassium, nutrients that aid in muscle recovery and growth. They're like the medics on the field, helping your body heal and grow stronger. But that's not all. The overall performance enhancement that these superfoods bring to the table is truly remarkable. They're like the silent coaches, guiding your body towards optimum fitness. Foods such as blueberries, nuts, and salmon are rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and enhance mental focus. They're the secret ingredients that can help you take your fitness game to the next level. Fueling your body with the right nutrients is like providing high-quality fuel to a sports car. The difference is noticeable. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember to include these nutritional powerhouses. They're not just food, they're your allies in your journey towards fitness and wellness. Now let's get practical. How can we easily incorporate these nutritional powerhouses into our busy lives? Firstly, let's talk about meal prep. It's not just for bodybuilders or athletes, it's for anyone who wants to fuel their body with the best, without spending hours in the kitchen every day. The secret is in the planning. Dedicate one day of the week for meal prep. Cook your grains, roast your veggies, grill your protein, and store them in separate containers. This way, you can mix and match to create different meals throughout the week. Next, shopping tips. Don't be fooled by flashy packaging or clever marketing. Stick to the perimeter of the grocery store where the fresh produce, meat, and dairy are usually located. That's where you'll find your nutritional powerhouses. Also, make a shopping list before you go. This will help you stay on track and avoid impulse buys. Now let's talk about easy recipes. Smoothies are a versatile option. They're quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. Try a green smoothie with spinach, a banana, and some chia seeds for a quick breakfast. Salads are another option. Not just your typical lettuce and tomato, but think outside the box. How about a quinoa salad with roasted vegetables or a lentil salad with fresh herbs and a zesty lemon dressing? Another trick is to use spices and herbs for flavor instead of relying on sauces loaded with sugar and sodium. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley can elevate the taste of your dishes without adding extra calories. Spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and cayenne pepper not only add flavor, but they also have health benefits. Lastly, don't forget about snacks. Instead of reaching for a bag of chips, try a handful of nuts or some Greek yogurt with berries. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Small changes can make a big difference. Start with one change, and once it becomes a habit, add another. With these tips and tricks up your sleeve, making these nutritional powerhouses a part of your life will be a breeze. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We delved into the world of nutritional powerhouses, those superfoods brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. We discovered how these little gems can be a game changer for our health and well-being. We uncovered the impressive impact these powerhouses can have on fitness. Remember, they can enhance your energy, speed up recovery, and even boost your performance. It's all about fueling your body with the right stuff. We also explored some practical tips and tricks to incorporate these superfoods into your everyday diet. From smoothies to salads and everything in between, there's a multitude of ways to get creative with your food while boosting your health. Thank you for joining us today on Inspire You Today. Remember, your health is your wealth. Now go out there and harness the power of these nutritional powerhouses.